video number 12, we take a look at possibly my favourite tank engine, the London, Brighton and South Coast Railway E4 class. The London, Brighton and South Coast Railway E4 class is a class of 062 side tank steam locomotive designed by Robert Billinton. They were introduced in 1897. The E4 class of radial tanks were powerful for their size and were stalwarts of local passenger freight and branch work for more than 50 years. 75 members of the class were built by Brighton Works between December 1897 and September 1903. All of the class survived to transfer to Southern Railway ownership in 1923. One example was, however, destroyed as a result of enemy action at Eastbourne Motive Power Depot in 1942. The remainder continued in regular use following nationalisation of the Southern Railway to become part of British Railways in 1948. However, with the arrival of diesel multiple units and the reduction in the number of branch lines after the reshaping of British Railways in 1963, the locomotives gradually became surplus to operational requirements and withdrawals commenced in 1955. Most of the class were withdrawn between 1958 and 1964. Number 473 survived into preservation on the Bluebell Railway, named Birch Grove. The model was a wheeled kit with scratch-built chassis. It's a hugely powerful locomotive. Interestingly, these were nicknamed piano tanks on account of the shelf over the coal bunker in the cab that resembled a closed piano. Thanks goes to Cressy Publishing for allowing me to use some of the pictures from this marvellous book.